2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, tinted windows, HID headlights, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.